Are you thinking about buying a car? You've probably heard the old saying, you get what you pay for. Well, not every car that looks like a good deal up front will turn out to be a smart investment in the long run. Today, we're going to talk about 3 cars you should avoid if you don't want to deal with endless headaches and sky-high repair bills. These vehicles have a history of recurring problems, especially after they hit the 60,000-mile mark. So, stay tuned to make sure you don't make the mistake of buying one of these problematic cars. The Jeep Cherokee is one of the most popular SUVs on the market, but the 2014 and 2015 models come with some serious red flags. The main issue lies with its 9-speed automatic transmission, which has had chronic problems. Owners report that the transmission shifts roughly, hesitates between gears, and sometimes fails completely. To make matters worse, repairing or replacing this transmission can cost you a fortune. Many users claim that these problems start showing up right around the 60,000-mile mark, and if you already own or are considering buying a used model, be prepared for some expensive trips to the shop. The Ford Focus is a compact car with a sleek design and an attractive price, but models from 2012 to 2016 are notorious for major transmission issues. Like the Jeep Cherokee, the Ford Focus is plagued by a faulty power shift transmission. Owners report jerky shifts, and many have had to replace the clutch much sooner than expected. Additionally, this transmission issue directly affects drivability and safety, making the car a risky choice. The problem is so widespread that there have even been lawsuits against Ford regarding these defects. If you're thinking about buying a used Ford Focus, you might want to reconsider. The Chevrolet Equinox is a popular SUV, especially for buyers looking for a spacious and comfortable vehicle. However, models produced between 2010 and 2017 have a concerning issue with excessive oil consumption. The engine in these models tends to burn through oil much faster than normal, and if this isn't addressed quickly, it can lead to severe engine damage. Many owners report that the oil levels drop dramatically between oil changes, and if the oil isn't topped off in time, the engine can overheat or even seize, resulting in costly repairs. Some drivers say the problem becomes worse after 60,000 miles, leaving them with unexpected expenses that could have been avoided by choosing a more reliable vehicle. So, how can you avoid falling into this kind of trap? First and foremost, always research the history of the model you're interested in buying. Check out consumer reviews, talk to trusted mechanics, and look for any recalls or common issues with the vehicle. Remember, paying a little more upfront for a more reliable car can save you from paying a lot more in repair costs down the road. What do you think? Drop your comments below, hit the like button if you enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the world of automobiles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.